US metal stocks such as Nucor Corporation, Alcoa Corp and Steel Dynamics have all contributed to a gain in the metals and mining industry. These industries are generally volatile in nature and can be described as cyclical. That means demand for materials can decline during a slowdown in economic growth, such as a recession, and then increase when the economy flourishes. Investors focused on future gains can consider mining stocks for a long-term investment. So let's look at some of the top metal and mining stocks. As mentioned, Nucor Corp. This is a leading steel producer, and they reported its fiscal 2022 second quarter earnings results on the 21st of July, showing its net sales climbed 34% to $11.79 billion in the second quarter of financial year 2022. We're up 12% from $10.49 billion in the first quarter of financial year 2022. Now, Nucor shipped a total of 6,977,000 tons to the outside customers in the second quarter, up 9% year-on-year. On a year-on-year basis, their stock rose 25.58%. Next up, Teck Resources, a diversified natural resources mining company, holds a market cap of $14.05 billion. Although the stock traded in the red this year, losing more than 7%, it climbed 22.77% in the last 12 months. American steel producer and metal recycler Steel Dynamics reported in its second quarter the results. It shipped a total of 3.1 million tons of steel and recorded net sales of $6.21 billion. Their stock gained 12.61% this year, while adding 14.49% on an annual basis. Alcoa is an aluminium firm with over $8.4 billion market cap. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania-based company reported revenue of $3.64 billion in the second quarter, noting an increase from $2.83 billion a year ago. The company said the increase in revenue was primarily due to improved shipments and higher prices. Steel and metal company Commercial Metals posted that for the third quarter of financial year 2022, their net sales were $2.51 billion. This year, Commercial Metals stock grew 1.07%. Now, 2022 has been a rocky phase for global markets due to various macroeconomic factors. Another factor that impacted economies this year was the Russia-Ukraine war, which fueled oil prices and further pushed inflation in an upward direction. However, the S&P 500 metals and mining industry soared 7.66% year-on-year, while increasing 0.98% this year. The segment also rose more than 4% in July. Now, if you like the information in this video, you can like, share and comment on it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel for Kalkine Media.